How to use YouTube TV free trial to watch the Olympics. YouTube TV offers a comprehensive platform to stream Olympic events live and on demand. By utilizing their free trial, you can access extensive Olympic coverage without immediate subscription fees. Here's how to make the most of it. Step number 1, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Visit the YouTube TV website, navigate to tv.youtube.com. Initiate the free trial. Click on the Try It Free button prominently displayed on the homepage. Create or sign in to a Google account. Use your existing Google account or create a new one to proceed. Enter payment information. Provide valid payment details. Note that while the trial is free, you'll be charged automatically after the trial period ends unless you cancel beforehand. Step number 2, confirm Olympic coverage availability. Check channel lineup. YouTube TV includes channels like NBC, USA Network, CNBC, and the Olympic Channel, which broadcast Olympic events. Verify that these channels are available in your area by entering your zip code during signup. Explore additional features. YouTube TV offers features like multi-view and 4K streaming for Olympic coverage, enhancing your viewing experience. Step number 3, set up and explore the platform. Download the YouTube TV app. Install the app on your preferred device, such as a smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. Navigate the interface. Familiarize yourself with the Live, Library, and Home tabs to access live broadcasts, record content, and personalized recommendations. Step number 4, plan your viewing schedule. Consult the Olympic schedule. Visit the official Olympics website or NBC's Olympics page to view event schedules and determine when your favorite sports are airing. Set up recordings. Utilize YouTube TV's unlimited cloud DVR to record events you might miss, ensuring you can watch them later at your convenience. Step number 5, monitor your free trial period. Track the trial duration. Free trial lengths can vary, so check the specific duration during signup. You can view the number of days remaining on your free trial by going to Settings, Membership in the YouTube TV app. Set cancellation reminders. If you decide not to continue with a paid subscription, set a reminder to cancel it before the trial period ends to avoid automatic billing.